Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, wherever time you're watching. Welcome to Master Electrical and welcome to our second lesson. Thank you very much for those who are following, those who have been attending the previous lesson. Today being our second lesson, and just as we had mentioned before, we'll just be looking on the course highlight for electrical installation. But first, before I continue, you can give thumbs up at the bottom of your screen. You can also subscribe just to show support and to make sure that you are supportive to this platform. So just to begin with, we are going to mention a few about electrical installation. Electrical installation, the standard of an electrician's work will always be judged. I believe most of you are now asking yourself, why is the workmanship or the craftsmanship or the work of a technician be judged? This is the reason why. The work of an electrician will always be judged because of the finishing of the work, the craft, the art of the work. What do I mean by saying this? Every day we have graduates getting out of universities, out of colleges, out of various training institutions, craftsmen, skilled people who have been learning about electrical installation. But now, what will distinguish you from the rest of technicians? But again, I need to emphasize on this. All of these technicians who are graduating out of schools, out of training institutions, all of them have the opportunities to make it in the industry. But the craftsmanship, the art, the standard of the work, that is the output of a technician, is what will rate him on a scale. So the finishings of the conduit work, the finishings on the PVC trunking work, the finishings on lighting work, and etc. All that is instituted, all that is around electrical installation is what rates technicians, and it's what makes them famous on the market. This is what gives the demand from the clients to choose on who is capable of doing what and who is capable of doing this and that. So just to highlight on our main topic, just to go back on our main agenda today, on the highlight, of course, highlight for electrical installation, number one will be handling safety. And just as we had mentioned before, safety is very important, and it's very crucial as far as electrical installation is concerned. So number two will be, under electrical installation, will be handling electrical symbols. Under electrical symbols, we will look at various symbols of electrical representations, and we will have a look at them. And number three, we'll be looking at wiring systems or installations, wiring systems. When I talk about wiring systems, I mean conduit installation. I mean, under conduit, we're looking at metallic and PVC. We'll look at the classification of conduits. We'll also be looking at conduit types and the explanation and etc. Number four, we'll be looking at electric heating. And under electric heating, we'll look at the effects of current through a conductor. We'll also be looking at the electrical space heating and the electrical space heaters. And number five, we'll be looking at lamps, circuits, and under lamps and lamp circuits, we'll be looking at lighting and illumination. We'll also be looking at sources of natural light. We will also be handling a number of factors under that. So number six also, we'll be looking at motor starters and generators. Under that, we'll be looking at direct online starting method. We'll also be looking at direct online forward and reverse method. We will also be looking at the automatic star delta starter. We will also be looking at direct online starter with inching operation. Number 7, we'll be looking at call and alarm circuits. Number 8, we'll be looking at transformers. We will draw the symbols of transformers and of course calculations. Under that, we'll also be looking at single phase AC motors. We'll be looking at single phase AC motors. Number 11, we'll also be looking at electrical measurement. And under electrical measurement, we'll be looking at conservation of electrical energy. That one is very, very important, of course, as far as the environmental conservation is concerned. Number 12, we're looking at energy. And under energy, we're looking at sources of energy, transformation, and conservation. That is. And then number 14, we'll be looking at DC circuits. And also under DC circuits, we'll look at the theories behind the DC circuits. We'll also look at DC. We'll be looking at magnetism and electromagnetism. And then finally, also just to mention the list, electrostatics. So those are the main subtopics that we'll be handling under electrical installation. This is going to be so much interesting, just as all of you understand that the field in electrical installation is competitive, and we need to stand out as engineers, we need to stand out as craftsmen and people who can improve and take engineering to the next level. So just as the Babylon city was rebuilt, was started by the craftsmen, the skilled people, the people who are willing to move Babylon to the next level, people, the engineers, the people with skills. So it is to us, the craftsmen, the technicians in electrical installation, to rebuild the industry of electrical installation and to shine, to create jobs, to create opportunities, and to expand our territory across the globe. So guys, that was the course highlight for today. As from tomorrow, from our next lesson, we'll begin one by one handling each subtopic, and our first subtopic will be safety. So today, even as we wind up our today's lesson, you need to ask yourself, what is safety and why is the need for safety? So guys, you can follow me on the other platform on Instagram at Master Electrical. You also can follow me on Facebook at Jolly Nyongesa. You follow me on every other platform at Master Electrical. And also you can comment, you can like, you can send your views, questions, and any problem that will need a solution concerning the above mentioned subtopics. So let's meet next time on our second lesson, when we'll be starting on electrical safety, the rules and regulations, the IEE regulations concerning safety and etc. So bye.